Hi guys, good morning. So this is our last day of itinerary here in Tokyo, Japan. And for today's itinerary, papunta kami ng Mount Fuji. And to save time, para maghanap ng mga destination and location and also yung mga daan, na-join na lang kami sa joiners tour, papuntang tour guide. So actually ang dami namin dito, papuntang Mount Fuji. So andito tayo ngayon guys sa main building of Tokyo Station. This is a Tokyo Station Red Brick Station building, one of Japan's national important cultural properties. It was renovated to its current appearance in 2012, completely producing the original appearance of Tokyo Station building 100 years ago. So hi guys, this will be our first destination here, going to Mount Fuji. So this is one of their biggest outlets ng sports items, mga shoes, luxury items, and so we will check that later. So if you are joining a tour going to Mount Fuji, so this will be one of your destinations here. So from Tokyo going here, it took us around 2 hours via bus drive. So ang laki pala talaga nito guys. Yung isang buong dyan, isang side pa lang yan. Tapos meron pa isang side, lahat yan puro outlet. Tapos lahat tong nakikita nyo sa baba, ayan, puro outlet din. Ang dami hanggang dun. Grabe. We are now in our second destination. This is going to Oshinohakai. Second destination going to Mount Fuji. Actually from here we can already see the Mount Fuji. So meron silang pinrepare sa amin na food, which is binayaran namin. Naningil sila sa bus by group. Naka-ready na yung food guys. Kain muna kami guys. Late lunch, time check, 2:25. So we are on our third destination. We are now in Mount Fuji, 5th station. And ito yung bulkan, no? Yung tok-tok ng bulkan. Let me show you. Grabe ang lamig dito, guys. Sobrang lamig. Nasa taas kami ng bundok. Ayan, no, yung baba. Makikita niyo yan. Lamig. So nandito tayo sa paahan ng Mount Fuji, 5th station. Sobrang lapit natin, kitang-kita mo yung bulkan talaga. Ayan, no? Yan yung Mount Fuji guys. Actually hindi ito yung typical na pinupuntahan na may dagat tapos may view ng Mount Fuji. Nasa tuktok ito. Nasa paan ng Mount Fuji mismo, 5th station. Sobrang lamig. Parang nasa Mount Pulo, nasa Sagada. Pabalik na kaming bus. Sobrang lamig, grabe. So, kakababa lang namin ng bus from Mount Fuji. And bumaba kami dito ng Shinjuku para mag-dinner and shopping daw sila.
My mind, how could I be so blind? How could I not see?
Meron palang parang banchetto or foods, street foods dito sa Shinjuku. Weekend, Saturday, evening.
'Cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not?
And finally, this will be our last night here in Japan and kakatapos lang ng activity namin for today. And pabalik na kami ng hotel. So good night everybody.